Hey everybody, welcome back to Four Oaks Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn this antler into a writing pen. So join with me and let's get started. Okay guys, the pen I'm going to be making in this video is the one made out of Antler. But first I want to talk to you a little bit about the pen kit itself. This is called the Faith, Hope, and Love pen kit. And it comes in two different style pen kits. The first is the twist pen, which is pretty common. I've made a lot of these. And the other is the rollerball or fountain pen, where you can screw the cap off and screw it onto the back. So again, this comes in a rollerball, which this one's a rollerball, or you can make it from a fountain pen kit. These make great gifts for pastor, Sunday school teacher, any person of faith in your life. The words faith, hope, and love are cast in the middle here on the center band of the pen. And at the top, you have some beautifully crafted crosses along the top of the cap and the very end of the cap as well. My favorite blank materials for making these pens is Bethlehem olive, and this pen right here is made from genuine olive wood from Bethlehem. This is made out of Purple Heart. Of course, purple is a royal color. And then the Antler pen really looks nice, especially on this antique pewter metal finish. And that reminds me, the different finishes you've got on these is you've got an antique pewter, which is this one. You've got a antique brass finish, 24 karat gold, and also an antique copper. So join with me and I'll show you how to make this beautiful pen.